Hello there, my name is Gundo Mrauzi and I'm here to talk about a web community by firstly giving a brief description of what a web community is. This will be executed by giving a brief description of what a web community is, followed by the features of a website that will attract and retain users, as well as the application of social media technologies in building a web community and the 7 steps for creating a web community. Well, what is a web community? Well, I shall tell you right now. First of all, it can be identified as the internet community that is a virtual environment whose members interact with each other digitally. Some pictures shall be provided to illustrate what I'm saying. Additionally, it can also be said that a web community may come in many formats, such as the following: social network services, an internet forum, a group of blogs, other kinds of social software applications. And look at the picture, you shall see what I'm talking about. Features of a website that will attract and retain customers. This refers to web communities that make it possible for communications and interaction in real life. Enable users access to resources may come in many forms, forums such as wikis, blogs, and forums. Well, what is a wiki? It is a website created through the collaborative efforts of users. It allows users to view and edit content. A well-known example is Wikipedia. We all know that one. Now, what are blogs? These are regularly updated websites which can be used for personal or business reasons. Common uses may include educational and corporate use. Example of blogs may be Blogger, Tumblr, and WordPress. A brief summary of the features as is shown in the pictures below. The application of social networking technology in building a web community. These are web-based technologies that make it possible for digital interactions. These types of technologies enhance the user experience for individuals and companies. Well, in conclusion, it can be thus said that upon the creation of a successful web community, there are steps that need to be followed, such as the following. Okay, since you've seen the steps, lastly, this presentation has looked at the concept of web community, the features of a web community, as well as the networking technologies that attract and retain customers, and finally the 7 steps for creating a successful web community.